Today's the day, guys. It's mural painting time. I have never done this before. It's a first.
Oh, yeah.
What did I do? Don't mind me. Gotta get the hanky, you know? Does anybody remember that lady on PBS that would like sew and she'd always hold like pins in her mouth? That's who I just felt like. Anyway, we are getting started. I got the projector, rented it today from Pictureline, and I'm gonna make a disclaimer. Filming in this room is quite echoey, so my apologies. But this is the wall in question that we will be painting the mural on. Isaac is currently delivering some bread to our friends. And so when he gets back, we're gonna set up the projector and get started. You know when your ponytail's too tight? Oh, that's what's going on right now. Okay, I'm gonna get a drop cloth and my paintbrushes. I hope it turns out how I envision it, and if it doesn't, well, I guess we could always just paint over it, right? Let's get started. I got my little paint station here. I got all the paints, but I got blue. This isn't blue, that's green. I got coral, I got all the colors, and I'm so excited. I am also very nervous because I've never done this before. This is going to be very interesting. And if you know me, then you know that like, I can't create without snacks. So we're gonna put these right here. I also got a water cup to rinse brushes in. That's necessary. Got a drop cloth down so I don't inevitably get paint on the ground because I know I will. And then we got our plethora of paint samples. And if you're doing a project like this on your own, I highly suggest going to look at the Oops counter at like Lowe's or Home Depot, because, I mean, look, we get it, Harper, we get it. 50 cents, 50 cents. Okay, serendipitously, they have the colors I was looking for, but we got a slew. Do you want to help? Is that what it is? Back to what we were saying. I have a slew of paintbrushes. You showing off those paintbrushes? This is what I normally paint with, so I feel like it'll be good for the wall, right? And then I have just like a bigger brush for like the majority of covering. I'm pretty much set. I'm set and I'm ready to get started. Right, chicken? Thank you. Thanks for the kisses of encouragement. You're so sweet. You're such a sweet girl. Is Isaac home? Is it projector time? Okay, I think it's time. Okay, yep, he's home. He's home, I heard the alarm. Things are going well. I was a little worried at first. Now that it's like on the wall, I don't feel so worried. But if you were to ask Isaac, he would tell you that I was a grouchy pants that didn't have faith in this project. But it's going well. This is as far as we got yesterday. It's looking pretty good. We're running out of daylight, but we have to return the projector tomorrow, so we're gonna try to get as much detail done as we can now so that we can get the projector back on time. Seriously, I am impressed with how this has turned out. It's kind of chilly down here, so. My favorite flower is a peony, and the thing with peonies is that they are a very brief moment in spring where they are there and then they bloom and then they're gone. And now I get to enjoy peonies all year round, which I'm so excited about. Like, it's just so beautiful. I do have the final color of pink that I want to go through and just kind of enhance and bring out some details and shading. And I also have a few details to work through on the leaves still, but it's so beautiful. The Monstera leaves turned out better than I even could imagine. Isaac did such a good job on those. I'm like looking in the mirror through. It's just beautiful. And then we've decided, I'm gonna shift you over just a little bit. So we found these cool hexagon shelves at Ross, and we're going to hang them on this wall. It's gonna be cute. And then, you know, probably just put like a little plant in here or something. I love it. And then when it comes to building the shelves to like store all of our workout equipment, those are gonna be so cute. It's just coming together and I'm so happy, and I cannot wait to finish and clean up this mess and make this just a zen, serene place to move in, right? It's a movement room, so. Mural artists, because this is probably the longest time I've ever taken to paint. Well, I've never really painted a mural, so I can't really say. Well, this is where we're at. I got a little carried away, and I feel like my flowers kind of look like they're on fire. Yeah, so I'm gonna need to figure out how to fix this. What do you think? What does it look like? Leave me a comment down below on what you think. I hope the comments are nice. Update. I was panicking a little bit. I have toned it down some. I'm feeling a little better about the mishap. I am just going to keep going. Maybe I'm gonna get myself a snack. You know how I feel about snacks. Maybe pop some popcorn. I am looking muck, but, oh shit. I just felt pink paint on the yoga mat. Okay, things are going well over here. Here is a final reveal. My name is Carlitasway. If you enjoy this, give me a thumbs up. Like, just let me know that you love it because I love it. If you love it, you don't have to love it, but I like it. This will let me know what kind of content you guys like to see, and I will keep creating as long as you guys enjoy it. So, I mean, I don't think I can paint a mural in every room in my home. I would love to, because this has just like sparked a fire within me to create, and I just want to go around painting peonies on everything. Until the next video, keep blooming. Bye guys.
Oh, yeah.